7 Flirting Tactics Women Love a Stoic Guide. Did you know that over 90% of communication is nonverbal? According to Dr. Albert Moravian's research on body language, the way you carry yourself matters far more than the words you speak. And when it comes to flirting, that couldn't be more true. Most guys think flirting is about saying the perfect thing, some magical pickup line that instantly makes a woman fall for them. But the truth? Attraction doesn't work that way. Women respond to presence, confidence, and subtlety. That's why the men who stand out are the ones who understand control, not just of their words, but of their energy. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to master the kind of flirting that women find irresistible without forcing it, without overthinking it, and without making it awkward. And if you stick around till the end, I've got a powerful bonus tip that will set you apart from 99% of men welcome to EMA, your go-to channel for real relatable advice on navigating the complexities of love and relationships. Subtle, touch is one of the most powerful ways to communicate attraction when done right. It's not about being overly forward or aggressive. In fact, the most effective kind of touch is often the one that feels almost accidental, natural, effortless, and brief. Why does it work? Because physical touch, even in small doses, triggers a subconscious sense of closeness. Studies published in the Journal of Nonverbal Behavior show that light, non-threatening touch increases feelings of trust and attraction. A casual touch on the arm during a conversation, a light tap on the back as you guide her through a door. These seemingly small actions send signals of confidence, presence, and connection without saying a word. Now, let's put this into perspective. Imagine you're at a coffee shop, you make a joke. She laughs, and as you respond, you lightly touch her forearm for half a second. It's subtle, so quick that it doesn't even feel intentional. And yet, in that moment, you're creating an unspoken connection. No words needed the key here. It should feel effortless. You're not trying to make her feel something. You're simply comfortable enough in your own skin to be expressive. And that confidence alone is magnetic. Women love men who can make them laugh. Not in a goofy, try-to-hard way, but in a way that shows confidence and intelligence. Human isn't just about cracking jokes. It's about timing, self-assurance, and the ability to create an engaging back and forth dynamic. Why is this so powerful? A man with a sharp sense of humour signals quick thinking and high social intelligence, both of which are incredibly attractive. A woman doesn't just laugh at a good joke. She responds to the confidence behind it. It shows that you're not afraid to be playful, that you understand social cues, and most importantly, that you can hold your own in a conversation. Picture this: a woman playfully says, "I bet you're one of those guys who takes forever to reply to texts. Instead of getting defensive or explaining, you smirk and say, 'Only when I'm busy fighting crime and saving kittens, see the difference.' It's fun, it's flirty, and it keeps the energy light. But here's what not to do. Force jokes, excessive sarcasm, or self-deprecating humour. If you try too hard to be funny, it can come off as insecure. The goal isn't to be a comedian. It's to show that you're comfortable, at ease, and unafraid to have a little fun. Playful, teasing is the art of playful tension. It creates chemistry when done right. The key to successful teasing lies in the balance. It's not about being cruel or overdoing it, but about creating a dynamic where both of you can laugh and connect. Teasing shows confidence. It signals emotional control, and most importantly, it tells her that you don't take yourself too seriously. That's an attractive quality. It means you're comfortable enough to joke around and can maintain a sense of ease even in potentially awkward moments. Imagine this: she orders the most complicated drink at a cafe, something you'd never attempt to order. Instead of just nodding and accepting it, you playfully say, "Wow, I didn't know I was having coffee with a scientist. Should I be taking notes?" It's light-hearted, it's fun, and it keeps the conversation flowing. That little moment of playful banter makes the whole interaction more engaging, but be cautious. Teasing should never cross the line into mockery. Avoid anything that could come off as mean or condescending, because that can damage the connection. Instantly, remember, the goal is to have fun, not to make her feel bad about herself. Keep the tone playful and light. This is about building rapport, not pushing her away before we proceed. If you find value in this video, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us grow and makes you an integral part of our journey, and we deeply appreciate your contribution. Now, let's return to our discussion for confident eye contact. The fastest way to make a woman feel your presence. Eye contact period when you maintain strong eye contact while speaking. It doesn't just show you're paying attention, it signals certainty. It tells her, I'm here, I see you, and I'm not afraid of this moment. Why does this work? Eye contact is deeply rooted in human connection. It's a way of expressing focus and intention without saying a word. It's about showing that you're engaged and that you value the interaction. The strongest connections often happen when two people just look at each other, acknowledging the moment. Think about the most charismatic people you've met. They look you in the eye, listen intently, and make you feel like you're the only person in the room. That's the effect you want when you look at her directly. Without looking away too soon, it's a clear signal that you're present, confident and truly engaged, a great practical tip to make the most of this use. The look, hold, smile method. Look at her, hold. Eye contact for just a second longer than usual, and then give a subtle smirk. This small shift will make a big difference in how she perceives your presence. It adds a layer of intrigue and shows that you're in control, but still approachable. 5. Active listening. Most guys listen to respond, but if you want to stand out, listen to understand. Here's the difference. Active listening isn't just about hearing her words, it's about paying attention to the meaning behind them. When you truly listen, you engage with what she's saying, asking follow-up questions and remembering small details. You show her that what she says matters. And trust me, that's more attractive than any physical trait or six-pack abs. When you actively listen, you create a deeper connection. You're not just waiting for your turn to talk. You're engaged in a real conversation, which is what builds attraction. Let's say she tells you she loves old school R&B. Instead of simply nodding along, you ask, okay, but are we talking Boys to Men or early Usher? That small detail makes her feel seen. It shows her you care about what she likes and you're genuinely invested in getting to know her. This is a game changer. People don't remember what you look like. They remember how you made them feel the bottom line when you listen to understand it. Creates trust and connection. That's the foundation of any strong relationship. Romantic or otherwise genuine compliments. Most guys compliment women the same way. You're beautiful. But that's just noise. It's something everyone hears and it doesn't make you stand out. The key is to make your compliment personal instead of a generic nice dress. Think about something specific. For example, that colour makes your eyes pop. You've got such a great sense of style now. That's a compliment that feels unique and thoughtful. It shows you've taken the time to notice her individuality. And that's what makes it special. A compliment should feel like it was meant only for her, not something you'd say to any woman. It's a subtle way of telling her that she stands out to you in a world of people who blend in. Think of it this way, the most memorable. Compliments are the ones that make someone feel seen, really seen. So when you compliment, focus on what makes her different, what stands out about her that others may not notice. That's the kind of compliment that will make her feel truly appreciated. 7. Unapologetic authenticity. Women are incredibly intuitive. They can sense when you're being fake. And that's the last thing you want to come across, as when you're flirting, the real flex, owning who you are. Flaws and all, authenticity is magnetic. Women are drawn to men who are comfortable in their own skin, who are confident enough to show their true selves, no matter what, the moment you try to be what she wants. You risk losing yourself in the process when you're pretending it's obvious nothing is more attractive than a man who embraces himself. Imperfections and all when you drop the act and just connect, you'll notice how much easier it is to build real attraction. She's not interested in a perfect persona, she's interested in your energy, your honesty, and your willingness to show up as yourself. The best flirting happens when you're not trying to be someone, you're not think about it. The most attractive people are the ones who are unapologetically themselves. It's your unique energy that draws her in. Let go of the facade and just be you. Bonus point. The power of pausing, you've made it this far. So here's your bonus tip, the most underrated flirting tool. Strategic pauses. You might think that the key to a great conversation is talking non-stop. But in reality, sometimes silence speaks louder than words. A well-placed pause before responding makes you seem more composed, thoughtful, and in control. It's a subtle but powerful way to create intrigue. Next time she asks, "So what do you do for fun?" Don't rush to answer. Pause, smile, and then respond. That tiny moment of anticipation can make her hang on your every word, because you've created an air of mystery. It's not just about what you say, it's about how you say it, and sometimes how long you let the silence linger. Silence, when used right, can heighten the impact of your words and make you seem more charismatic, thoughtful, and in control. So don't be afraid of a little pause. It works wonders in building attraction and leaving her wanting more. If you made it to the end, comment Stoic Flirt. So we know you're one of the real ones. If you found this video valuable, make sure to hit that like button. It helps us grow and tells YouTube that this content is worth watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on more daily insights like this, and share this video with someone who could benefit from it. Thanks for watching. We've recommended a video on your screen. Check it out, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.